Hi, I'm Joey Hines with Global View Investment Advisors, and I'm here with Kathleen Moore, the widow of my late partner, Ken Moore. And we're excited this year because we're able to celebrate what he founded going back 20 years ago.
Ken started at Merrill Lynch in part of their professional development program after he had spent several years as a management consultant in a lot of the major financial centers like New York, Frankfurt, London, Munich. So he really enjoyed giving advice and looking for opportunities for companies to improve their performance. However, he wanted to start helping individuals and be able to see the fruits of his labor, to stick with the client, to see how their investments would perform as a result of his input. He finally did find a group of clients that are still clients today out at Keowee Key, catered to them. He felt that that was an underserved area in the upstate. And a Labor Day weekend of 2004, he went in and on the Friday before and made his announcement to management. He started making calls, and all of his clients did follow.
It was interesting because Ken and I had lunch about 3 weeks after he had left. I wasn't really interested. I knew he and I had a lot of the same philosophies and we're aligned in a lot of ways, but I wasn't really interested because I was comfortable. But Ken was pretty persuasive, and we had a conversation after lunch and a couple conversations after that, and so we realized that our strengths really complemented each other. It's been a beautiful 20 years with a lot of ups and downs. And what's interesting, kind of what you were saying, Katie, earlier, was that when you start with a lot of the firms in the industry, you're given a telephone and a computer, and you're basically told to go and find your clients. Many companies are focused on the bottom line and how can you help build the company. And it's not about focus and being client focused. And one thing from day one with Ken, I knew his focus was the client. How can we better serve our clients and help them grow their assets in order to be able to reach their goals?
He really, really was passionate about the business and spreading the word so that clients could invest worry-free. That was his slogan.
Yeah, Ken was definitely passionate, and that's one thing that has driven our firm for the last 20 years is his passion, because it's so easy to become content. And but Ken was always, how can I better serve the client? But when he was passionate about one particular item or was focused on one particular new strategy or technology or whatever it may be, he was all in, and there was never any holding back. Sometimes I tried to slow him down, but he was all in and
very tenacious.
That's right. So, the structure of Global View, with Ken's passing, as myself and Adam and Katie happened to be able to join us as the Director of Practice Management. I'm so glad to have you on board. And we continue as a team of 8. We want to continue to grow our business. We want to continue to be small and client-centered and focused. And we've had to look forward to the next 20 plus years as we move forward.